Hey everyone, HG Manufacturing here today to show you the new boost control solenoid offerings that I've got. This is the 4-port offering here. You can see the 4 holes in the side of the body and the 3-port option here. And these are used to control the amount of boost that your turbo system is going to make. So if you've got say your wastegate has a 10-pound spring in it, the 3-port solenoid is usually capable of doubling that setting, so your 10-pound spring will make 20 psi. Your 4-port solenoids are usually going to quadruple that. So say you've got a 5-pound spring in there, you can make up to 18, 20 psi. It varies from car to car, engine to engine. These solenoids are very predictable in controlling. You can pretty much calculate the duty cycle that's going to be needed to make whatever psi you want, and it usually gets right there. It's a simple 2-wire hookup. You've got a ground signal coming from your ECU, a 12-volt switched infused source coming from wherever you want that, and pretty much all aftermarket ECU manufacturers nowadays can control these solenoids. They're 12 volts, they only take maybe a half amp. Your Haltex, your Holleys, Mega Squirt, Fuel Tech, Link, all of them, Hondata, they're all capable of controlling these solenoids. So I'm proud to bring this one to market. It's very robust. It's a reliable solenoid, handles temperatures, extreme cold and hot very well, very robust. And then also my new billet aluminum mount that I've designed particularly for these solenoids. The mount has a protective hoop that helps protect the control portion of the solenoid from collisions inside your engine bay or tools if you're working in there. And they also give you a clean way of mounting that solenoid in your engine bay. You can buy the mounts by themselves, you can buy the solenoids by themselves, and you can buy a mount with a solenoid, your 3-port or 4-port, for a package deal. Go to hgmanufacturing.net, buy yours today. Everything ships same day, so you'll receive it usually in 3 days.